Welcome. In front of me I have Lenovo Carme, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the lower button. Now tap on the bottom of the screen to scroll through the menu, like this. Find the option called Other, and press and hold on the bottom of the screen to enter, like this. Now scroll through the menu by tapping on the bottom of the screen. Find option Power Off and press and hold on the bottom of the screen to confirm. Now wait a few seconds and turn on your watch by pressing and holding the upper button. And that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.